Language.Foundation's Video Dictionary, helping you achieve understanding.
The act of improving by renewing and restoring. A major overhaul of the healthcare system was proposed. Redevelopment, renovation. Periodic maintenance on a car or machine. It was time for an overhaul on the tractor. Inspection and repair, service. Make repairs, renovations, revisions or adjustments to. You should overhaul your car engine. Modernize, modernize. Travel past. Overtake, pass.
Become our student and get access to effective and free educational materials. Subscribe to our channel to become a part of our growing community and to learn English effectively.